solve some more important questions and simple equations. Here they are. The question number 1. Nine x minus 5 of 2x minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay. It's a bracket operation question. Here we go. It's 9x minus 5 of 2x minus 3. So you have to multiply the binomial this by minus 5. This is a common error. Most of the students multiply by 5 ignoring this minus sign. So this minus 5, minus is also important for sign. So any number treat along with its sign, either plus or minus. So I do multiply by minus 5 and plus 2x. So I get minus 10x. Minus 10x minus 5 into minus 3 plus 15 is equal to 1 minus 2x. So here onwards we know what is transposing. First, before transposing, let me simplify these two terms. These two. Minus 10x plus 9x. So minus x plus 15 is equal to 1 minus 2x. Now with mutual transposing from LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. So minus x plus 2x is equal to 1 minus 15. So x is equal to minus 14. This is the answer. So though it seems to be simple, most of the students ignore this minus sign of the sign of 5. That's why I highlighted this question too. There is one more of the same kind. We work out here. That is question number 2. 7 of 2x plus 3 minus 3 of 5x minus 2 is equal to 5 of 3x minus 4 minus 3 of 3x minus 4. The mini brackets, mini operation with plus and minus. That's the difference in the question. Okay. So 7 of 14x, 7 3s are plus 21, minus 3 of plus 5 minus 15x, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, 5 into 3x 15x, 5 into minus 4 minus 20, minus 3 into 3x minus 9x, minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. Okay. Many operations, many brackets. So to increase our concentration level, we used to give this type of questions. You have to pay concentration on both sides of the equation, LHS or RHS. Now simplifying on both sides, that is the main criteria before transposing. Here I have two pairs of like terms, that is 14x minus 15x results, that is minus x plus 21 plus 6 plus 27 is equal to the same on RHS. 15x minus 9x, 6x minus 20 plus 12 minus 8. Now we transpose finally to get the x value. So minus x plus 6x as minus 6x minus 8 minus 27. So I remain with minus 7x. Of course it is equal to minus 35. X is equal to minus 35 by minus 7. Division of a pair of like integers is positive. So it is 5. Okay. Finally we will end up at 5 for the second question. And there are many important questions. Let's see them now. Very simple. Now here a pair of fractions on the left side, and also the operation between them is minus, that is subtraction. So first you have to reduce or simplify this pair of fractions by subtracting. We know these two are unlike fractions where the fractions are 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. So first make them like by the tool of LCM. Here 4 and 3 are co-primes. So their LCM is equal to 12. Here 4 3 times. So 3 times of 3x. 3 times of 3x. Never write the product directly without using operations. That is bracket operation. Why I say later. Minus 3 4 times. So 4 of 2x is equal to 7. Remove the brackets, which gives 9x minus 8x by 12 is equal to 7. Of course, it is x by 12 is equal to 7. Now we transpose 12 by multiplying RHS. This we know already. So x is equal to 7 into 12, which give rise 84 is the answer. Okay. And here we have different sets. On the RHS a pair of fractions. This side also a pair of fractions. Of course, we can consider 5 is also a fraction which is denominator 1. Let me write this as x by 2 minus 5 by 1 is equal to x by 3 plus x by 2. Okay. The same type of operation we have both sides here. So if you cannot use your mind on both sides at a time, complete LHS first and go for the RHS later on. I go for this LHS first, where the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 one time, so 1 time of x, of course I don't want any brackets, ax minus 1 times of 2, 2 times of 5 is 10. I simplified on the LHS. Now I focus my attention on the RHS. LCM of 2 and 3, 6, 2x plus 3x. Of course LHS, the numerators cannot be simplified, but whereas here simplified. That I do in my next step, keeping this LHS constant. X minus 10 by 2 is equal to 5x by 6. 5x by 6. So now I transpose this 2 first, or I go for cross multiplication, cross product, because no further simplification is possible at this level. So 6 of this numerator, 6 of x minus 10 is equal to 2 of 5x. Let me compute this. That is 6 of x is 6x minus 60 is equal to 10x. Let's transpose. So 6x minus 10x is equal to 60. Minus 4x is equal to 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 by minus 4, which gives minus 15. Okay, minus 15. Here 3 variety questions. The simple fractions, a pair of fractions on LHS, the same situation on both sides. Okay, these 3 questions are very important. 2 marks or 3 marks questions definitely appear in any examination. So let's go for a complex question now.